A jumper standoff with police came to a tragic end on the Brooklyn Bridge today, as an unidentified skull-faced man brought traffic to a standstill for 2 hours before leaping to his death.
All too common. You ever wonder what became of those playthings of yesteryear? If you're the CEO of a Fortune 500 company, you're probably too busy counting money on the naked back of a $10,000 a night whore to care. But I care. Man-at-Arms, killed in a hail of crypt gunfire on the streets of South Central Los Angeles. Beast Man, currently dodging child support payments under an assumed name in Akron, Ohio. We see you. Trapjaw, now a South Dakota state senator. Sad fates for those once known as the masters of the universe. For more perspective, we've come to Prince Adam, best known as the champion of Eternia, He-Man. He-Man, you're currently employed as a mall security guard. How did it come to this?
Yeah, well... Hey, you! Stop! By the power of Grayskull!
Oh, no, he's got a sword! Once the leader of the mighty Thundercats, today Lion-O is an unemployed construction worker staring down the big 4-0.
After Mumra died of testicular cancer, there wasn't nobody left for the Thundercats to fight. We had to get real jobs.
Was construction your first job?
Oh, yeah! Oh, God!
And how about the others?
Panthro's doing a dime in federal prison for selling junk bonds to senior citizens, and then eating them.
Snarf, snarf, no good rover burble, snarf!
I don't know what happened to Snarf.
And what happened to the team's sexy female member, Chitara?
She's still my sexy lady, I guess. Oh, hey, you want to go out back and shoot some cans with a .22?